everyone. It's Dwayne Pinnell, Transwest Truck Trailer RV here in Belton, Missouri. And today I wanted to showcase a 2016 Itasca Solei 34T. Now this was a coach that I personally brought in on trade, and it's very, very clean. A very nice little coach. For those of you who want to go to state or national parks at this length, you have a greater chance of being able to do just that. The coach was very well taken care of and maintained by the former owners, and they happened to order a new coach from me, a Super C, and it was a Newmar Superstar, and so they traded up to a little bit longer coach, but this one is a really, really beautiful coach. First of all, you've got plenty of sleeping room here, although it's small and short. You've got a sleeping bed above the cab or the cockpit. Here it's a twin size bed, drops down electrically, and I can show you that in just a few minutes, but you've got a nice layout in the dash here. Now this is a Winnebago brand, it's an Itasca. You've got leveling jacks that are automatic. It has 340 horsepower, a Cummins engine. It is a tow capacity of 5,000 pounds here. And it's really, really a nice coach. Both of these front seats will turn around toward the rear, but as we step back here into the living space, you can see that you've got, whenever the other side is extended, a very nice U-shaped dinette here, or sofa, for seating plenty of people in this space. Now you say, where's the table? Well, the table is stowed right here in a cabinet on rollers. It has a drop leaf, so whenever you're ready to have dinner, instead of consuming a lot of the floor space there, you can simply roll it out here. Got a couple of storage spaces on either side of it. Lift those drop leaves and you've got a nice big table here to seat several people in a U-shaped format. So I'm going to close that up. Very nice hutch here, nice cabinetry, nice lighting, cabinets above over here. And then as far as your TV placement, great placement in this coach for where the seating area is. Great big nice screen, sound bar, and also a fireplace. So a nice unit. You got the stairwell here, mid entry coach, and I'm going to come around here and see if I can show you this drop down mattress. Got light here, and again, for a twin sleeping bed, great space. It's going to get a little dark here because the lights aren't on up there. There they are. But for those kids or somebody that wants to sleep up there, just a real convenient sleeping space without having to open this sofa for additional sleeping if there are only 3 of you or 2 of you in the coach. So I'll go ahead and lock that back down again. And we'll move on back. Now this is an L-shaped kitchen where you have 2 bowl sinks, stainless steel, nice solid surface countertop. And the thing about this is, you have a slide, this stays stationary, a slide that comes in over the top of it, yet it still gives you half of this sink space to use while going down the road. If you want to make a sandwich or lunch and you need some water here at the sink, you can still do that. And overhead cabinetry, very generous in space, deep, with great hinges. Little kitchen window here to add a little bit of light. You've got day and nighttime shades throughout the coach also. Great microwave convection oven, and this does have LP on board. You've got 3 burner cooktop with all of your drawer space here for your kitchen items or appliances that you take along. Great space here with electrical outlets for a coffee maker if that's what you use while going down the road. Your control command center is right here in the coach, mid-coach. And you've got 2 ACs in the unit, and we're going to turn around here and open the bathroom door again, which is a mid-bath with a nice layout and space. And then a residential refrigerator here. Nice space inside, very tidy. Former owners were very tidy people, which is wonderful. And then almost a full-length mirror right here in the hallway. And then for a small coach to have a stacked washer and dryer, that's a great thing. So the conveniences of home right here for you. And then generous closet space. 2 of these wardrobes, and then 4 drawers beneath. There is some storage space beneath the bed here. And this is a queen size bed. Nice headboard, again, nice roller shades to create some daylight in the coach. Great sideboards here. You've got plenty of space to plug in phones and all those things that you need to carry along. Anyway, tile flooring throughout the coach, and this is laminate flooring. But the stock number on this coach is 17U211029. Again, a 2016 Itasca Solei 34T. Getting into state national parks, more likely to be able to do that in this coach again because of the length of the coach. 340 horsepower, 5,000 pound tow capacity, very, very clean. Call me, Dwayne Pinnell, Transwest Truck Trailer RV. My phone number is 816-516-5312. My email, Dwayne, DWAYNE .PINNELL@transwest.com. Our website, in case you want to look through our inventory and call me about any of it, is transwestrv.com. Again, I'm in Belton, Missouri, 816-516-5312. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope to hear from you.